So for this video, we once again need to find a common denominator in order to see which fraction is larger and which one is smaller, and by doing so we could find a number that would fit in between. Well, by looking at this, an easy way to get the left to be equal to the right is to multiply top and bottom by 100. So 3/10 over 100 would equal 300 over 1000. So now you have a lot of options to pick on which number you want to go in between. You could pick any number from 40 1000s all the way up to 299 1000s. Any of those numbers will work because all of those numbers are between 3/10 and 39 1000s.